Welcome to Assist Training Videos. The topic of this video is the Student Data Entry History tab. In this video, we will discuss entering student statuses on the History tab, and we will review the most important statuses in terms of NRS reporting and student information. From the student information screens, we will need to go to the History tab, which is the fifth tab on the student information screens. On this tab, Assists will list the student's status history within Assists. It will also show you some blank fields where we can enter additional student statuses. Please keep in mind that it is not required to have a student's status listed here on their History tab. Assists uses enrollment and hours information primarily to determine whether or not a student is active in a current fiscal year. The History tab, however, holds additional important information, especially when a student exits your program. The first status we will enter for this particular student is the status of active. In order to do this, we will need to enter a status date of the day that the student became active in your program. Remember that all dates and assists need to be entered in a 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 4-digit year format. Once we've entered the date, we can choose the appropriate status off the drop-down menu and then click the Insert button in order to save that status in the student's record. If we make a mistake, we can delete a status and Assists will remove it from the student's record. To enter an additional status for a student, enter the date and choose the status off the drop-down. As mentioned previously, exit is an extremely important status, and this is the most appropriate place to enter that in the student's record. You should exit a student when they are no longer participating in your program in any way. But please keep in mind that if you exit the student from this History tab, that student will be removed from any instructional offerings that he or she is currently participating in. So exiting a student should be done carefully. If you choose the status of exit from the student's History tab, Assists will ask you for the exit reason. Choose the most appropriate reason from the drop-down list, even if that reason is unknown, and click the Save button. Assists will then enter that student's exit status on the History tab. Again, if this status was entered incorrectly, you can delete it. Our suggested next topic is the Student Additional Information screen. If you have any additional questions about student statuses and how to use them, please contact your agency's assigned Assist support person or email assistsupport@lacnyc.org for help.